Dad, try to touch the car.
Oh no, I'm swimming. Is there a shark in it?
Jason's doing Playhouse. Don't forget to hit the red button. Hi, it's Jace.
Hi, Jace. What are we doing today?
We're doing the slime challenge.
Woo! That's right. We're playing Don't Choose the Wrong Button Slime Challenge. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
The way it'll work is we each get a turn. If you pick a bad button, you choose from the bad side, which is the girl side. If you pick a good button, you pick from the boy side, which is the cool stuff, right? And the winner is the one with the best slime. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What does the winner get, guys?
$1,000. Are you ready to get started? Woohoo!
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah.
Ready?
Rock, paper,
scissors, shoot.
Rock,
Paper, scissors, shoot. Whoa, Dad gets to choose the first button. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ah, bad button. What am I gonna pick here? Might as well go with the pink. Alright, so here goes my pink.
Whoa. It looks cool.
It does look cool. It's pink, but it's cool.
I want to feel it.
No, hey, it's your turn. So you have to choose the next button. Good luck. Oh! What are you going to pick from the good pile?
Okay.
Ooh, he's picking a Ryans World. Ooh, another color. You might have to pick it out. Yes, get all that out. Oh, that's super extra slimy. Oh.
What color is it?
Purple.
Oh, that's the good slime, right, Dad?
Yeah, that's nice and slimy. Ryan makes good slime. Okay, it's Dad's turn, right?
Yeah.
Let me... Another bad one. I'm gonna go for some foam beads. Woo. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Oh yeah, look at the way we're foaming it. That is so cool. I need more slime to get the beads to stick. You got another winner. What are you gonna pick?
I'm gonna pick the phone.
You're doing the same. Ooh, yours look. Whoa, 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 whoa! Don't leave the container in there. You're excited and all.
Look at my foamy slime.
Ooh.
I just made it as balls inside.
Ooh, it looks like a tongue. Blah. Rock!
Wait,
rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Dad gets to go first. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Yes! Let me see what I'm going to take. I'm going to go with some green slime.
You're getting in the lead.
Yeah, this is going to be... What's this going to look like? What does green and pink make?
It makes purple.
Purple.
Ha!
Alright, let's see. This is really gooey slime. Look at this, Jace. It's clear, gooey, disgusting slime.
It feels good.
Ooh, man, that just splashed all over me.
I'm putting on your slime.
Hey, stay out of my slime.
I'm mixing it up.
So let's see what this looks. Oh, now it's getting slimy. That's what you need to do. You need to get more slime. Look at it, it's starting to turn teal, like your favorite color. You see that?
Oh yeah,
Do you see that, everybody? There's like a reaction here. It's teal. Oh, whoa, dude, stay in your own slime. Oh man.
It's my turn, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that one's extra slimy.
I'm gonna pick some another slime.
Oh man, that was really.
What color did you pick, Jace?
I picked blue slime.
Oh boy, pull it out. Let me help you. Oh man, that is gross.
It's starting to look like teal.
Wow, yours is darker and cooler. It's getting more fun though, right?
Like
yeah, mine is not cool right now.
Mine looks like purple.
I need some more slime from the good section.
Yeah.
So, it's my turn, right? I got another bad button.
Oh.
What am I going to do? I'm going to go with a... Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't get yours in mine. I'm going to go with these Pop-Pop Pets. This looks fun. Now I got more purple and pink. What's going on here?
Yay.
Oh, disgusting.
Put your slime in the old slime.
Good slime. Oh. Oh.
My slime's cooler than that.
There's a pet. Listen to this noise. Oh, why is everything purple and pink? Need some more pink. Listen to this noise.
I actually want to pick blue.
Blue?
What do blue and purple make? Let's find out. Mine's way cooler than yours.
Mine's getting heavier and heavier.
Oh, mine's way better. Mine looks like... Let's see at the blue up there. It looks kind of fancy. Who do you think's better, mine or Dad's?
They kind of look like twinsies.
No, but mine's blue, so mine's way cooler than yours.
Yeah, yours is cool. Yours is always cooler. Ooh.
Whoa.
Good luck. Let's ask the viewers which one everybody likes.
Okay.
Okay, so do you like Dad's purple goo or Jace's blue goo?
Mine's not goo, mine's slime.
Which one do you like better? Let us know in the comments below which one you like better. So gooey. I hope you like this video because I'm going to have slime under my nails for the next 2 weeks.
Mix the two together, guys.
Yeah, let's do it. Wait, it's just stuck on here.
Oh, well. Oh, my gosh. Let's really get it going. Look at this slime.
Rainbow! Rainbow! Rainbow, Webby, rainbow, 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 rainbow! Dad, try to touch the car.
Oh no, I'm swimming. Is there a shark in it? Ah! Ah! Why is this shark eating my finger? This is crazy. I can't see anything. I'm stuck in the Goo Lagoon. And there's sharks. And he's... Look at this slime, everyone. This is really heavy. Seriously, like 30 pounds of slime. This was so much fun, Jace.
Yeah.
I think you won because I don't even have any slime anymore.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.
Bye.